Hey there, I'm Kevin Kennedy and welcome to the Product Design Online YouTube channel. I'm a product designer and Fusion 360 evangelist, and I'll be posting Fusion 360 tutorials every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Time. I've been 3D modeling in various CAD programs for over 10 years. Throughout my videos, you'll learn how to model everyday objects, become more efficient, and you'll learn some tricks of the trade, including those unique to Fusion 360. If you're brand new to Fusion 360, then be sure to check out my playlist, Learn Fusion 360 in 30 Days for Complete Beginners. This series covers all the essentials of Fusion 360 and everything that you need to know to start modeling your own unique designs. I'm currently working on some sculpting tutorials, so click that red subscribe button to get notified of newly released tutorials, and go ahead and comment below and let me know what type of Fusion 360 tutorials you would like to see.